our identity is so penetrated and suffused and transformed and glorified itself that there is nothing but Christ, no motive but Christ, no love but Christ, but Christ's love includes everything else and the love of everything else. So there is no separation of anything that was good in our lives or any relationships that was good in our lives, or if it wasn't so good, that's healed also in this process. So that the ultimate consciousness then begins to be, there is no other. There is just God who is all in all. And this no otherness is not the rejection or diminution or the loss of anything that was good, but rather the elevation and enhancement and assimilation of everything, so that all that is good becomes utterly suffused by the divine goodness and enhanced to infinite degrees. So that we can say with Paul that it hasn't entered into the mind of a human being what God has prepared for those who love him. And what God has prepared is to transform us into himself, to glorify in us everything that was his gift, and to enable us to relate to everything